Making the right choice depends on several factors, including the age of your roof, the extent of damage, your budget, and long-term goals. This guide will help you understand the key differences between roof repair and replacement so you can make a confident decision for your Shelby TWP home. When roof repair makes sense, in many cases, roof repairs are enough to restore the integrity and performance of your roof. A professional roofing company in Shelby TWP can often address minor problems quickly and affordably. Common scenarios where repair is ideal: minor leaks or water spots on ceilings or in the attic, missing or damaged shingles from wind or hail, small flashing or vent issues around chimneys or skylight, damage localized to one section of the roof. Benefits of roof repair: lower cost than a full replacement, quick turnaround, often completed in one day, extends the life of your existing roof, maintains the look of your current shingles if matched properly. Roof repair is a smart choice if your roof is relatively new, under 15 years, and the problem is contained. When it's time for roof replacement, sometimes a repair is only a short-term fix. If your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan or showing widespread issues, a full roof replacement is often the more economical and long-lasting solution. Signs you may need a full replacement: multiple or recurring leaks in different areas, sagging, rotting, or soft spots in the roof deck, shingles that are curling, cracking, or missing granules. Your roof is 20 to 25 years old or older, ice dams and poor attic ventilation causing long-term damage. Advantages of replacing your roof: increased energy efficiency with modern roofing materials, enhanced curb appeal and resale value, full manufacturer warranties on materials and labor, for long-term peace of mind. No more patch jobs or temporary fixes. If you plan to stay in your Shelby TWP home for years to come or want to boost property value before selling, roof replacement is a smart investment. Cost considerations: repair versus replacement budget is a big factor for most homeowners. While repairs are cheaper in the short term, they can become costlier over time if problems keep coming back. Replacing your roof involves a larger upfront investment but offers greater durability and fewer maintenance issues in the long run. On average, roof repair in Shelby TWP may cost between $300 and $1,500, depending on the damage. Roof replacement typically ranges from $8,000 to $15,000, based on size, materials, and labor. A trusted local roofing company can provide an accurate inspection and quote so you know what to expect. Work with local experts who understand Shelby TWP homes. Every home is different, and so is every roof. When deciding between repair and replacement, it's crucial to work with a local roofing contractor who understands the specific challenges of Shelby TWP weather and construction. Local pros can help you. Evaluate the condition of your existing roof. Provide honest advice about the best solution. Offer affordable financing and warranty options. Ensure all work complies with local building code. Final thoughts. Make the right choice for your home. The decision between roof repair and replacement doesn't have to be overwhelming. By weighing the age of your roof, the extent of the damage, and your long-term goals, you can choose the best solution for your Shelby TWP home. When in doubt, schedule a professional inspection to get expert guidance. Whether it's a minor patch or a full roof upgrade, your peace of mind starts with the right decision and the right team.